Whenever you receive one of these, you know you're in for a treat. Imperial Tropicals. You gotta love these guys. So now we're gonna do our first unboxing on the channel. Normally, I don't even do this. But today, I thought it would be different. Uh-oh, this is not good. That's not good. Alright, so let's see what we've got here. Oh, look at these little Ottos. Good stuff. So we've got some Ottocinclus. Oh, look at them plants, baby. Oh, look at these pretty fish. Hey, little buddies. These are pretty. They're gonna fire up. All right. There's a bag in here that's gonna make me nervous. It's not. Look at this guy. This is a green dragon. This is a green dragon. Good stuff. And then we've got. Oh, there's something special coming. Okay, these are the yellow rainbows. As you can tell, I'm a fan of Rainbowfish. So whenever hooking up tanks, always like to do hardy fish in the beginning. And Rainbowfish, to me, are very good, colorful beginner fish. And these are some females. So I have 4 males, 2 yellow, 2 red, 2 females of both varieties. And then these 5 females should keep the males always fired up to something really cool, something special. There's only 1 bag in here I'm nervous about. Actually 2. Look at this. So this is a leopard frog Pleco. Me personally, I don't see these around too often. But once this little guy fires up, his colors are going to be off the hook. And the cool thing about these guys is, just like his little cousin over there, the green dragon, they actually really don't eat that much vegetables. They actually eat more meat. So I definitely have like beef heart flakes and stuff for them. So yeah, this is going to be a fun tropical community tank. Then we got some plants. I figured let's do some live plants to combat and eat the nutrients for the algae. So there should be no algae. Looks like I might have got it shorted. Oh, this one might have been a mistake when I hit 1. Oh, this is the bag I'm nervous about. This is the bag. This is the bag of shrimp. We got a boatload of shrimp and they all look to be good and healthy. So I've got a feeding station for them. I didn't do Skittles because when they make babies, the babies will just come out brown. So I decided to do orange, which will pop on the blue gravel. And then we have a small school of Odessa Barbs. The next set of barbs to go in here, I'm waiting to get some Denison barbs. Somebody's excited, as you can hear. We're going to get some Denison barbs once they become available. This should be a 10-pack, so I'll count them once we go inside. So basically, I am going to get going with the Hubbity Ed Mahubbit plants. I'm going to start separating those. I'm going to put them in. And then I am going to put some root tabs. So as you can see, we've got some good stuff going in for these fish. We've got a nice variety. We got a great variety of food coming in. And I've got some more food somewhere. I've got some more food. Oh yeah. Specifically for Plecos and the color for the Rainbowfish. And of course, everybody loves that. What I do is, thanks to ND Fish Tanks, I know how to properly do this. So I get rid of all the soil and stuff out of there. That little bit won't be a problem. And after I place all of these, I'll put some root tabs in there. All right, so I've added some of the root tabs up in there. So I put some root tabs in there. Still got some more plants to go. But as you can see now, it looks like an aquatic garden. And basically, I'm leaving the artificial plants in there just in case it doesn't do too well with the live. So there's still some greenery in there. But yeah, and in the center here, it's about to be a cool little showcase of the Nubius. So yeah, and as you know, you got to float the bags for 10 minutes, let the temperatures adjust, and then you take the fish out of the bags and put them into the tank with none of the water. And I think Mr. Goldfish here might be trying to cause problems with those little Ottocinclus. So let's get him fed real quick. Little Cheeto. Now here's the shrimp. So I'm not going to be able to show you all the processes of opening the bags, but they've been sitting for over 15 minutes. So now I'm going to put all of the Ottocinclus, the 2 Plecos, and the shrimp in. And I put a little bit of food down on the bottom for them to nibble on. So when they go in the tank, they'll already have something to attack. Probably not going to see this guy for a while, but this is pretty. Leopard frog Pleco, really pretty. Next one I'm going to add in here is probably a zebra Pleco. Alright, so as I said before, I've mixed the live with the fake just in case the live doesn't work out, but it should because they're easy species. In the middle patch right there, you'll see some baby Anubis. Those will grow in. And there's some Java ferns scattered throughout. And we have the first set of fish that are going to go in there are some Rainbowfish. Yes, Rainbowfish, Millennium Rainbowfish, Yellow Rainbowfish, and Sunburst Rainbowfish, I think they were called. I forgot the last name. And we got a little school of Odessa Barbs. So yes, this is a fun tank for the kids. And in a couple of days, I can already see the water getting cloudy, so I'll be over within the next 2 weeks to do a nice water change. Alright, I'm going to put the rest of the fish in and call it a night. Fish are already eaten, look at that. So the adults are searching around the tank looking. I just threw some of the beef heart flakes in there. Since this pairs, beef heart is really good to get their blood flowing and all that good stuff, keep them healthy. The shrimp we're probably never going to see again. They're going to be in there somewhere. The Odessa Barbs, same thing. They're going to be hiding out for a little while. But the rainbows are at least eaten. So this shows me that the tank is pretty good. And we should be off to a good start. The Plecos have done their job in hiding. The shrimp have done their hiding. So we did a new skate. Dropping off supplies. Fun little bucket of goodies. And then we come over here. So, this is what it's going to take to feed my guys in this tank. So the bug bites and the bottom feeders came in because the other ones got well, they were supposed to get delayed, but they ended up not getting delayed. So this right here is for everybody: the Ottocinclus, the Plecos, and the shrimp. Brine shrimp is for everybody. Bug bites for everybody. This is just a better blend, in my opinion, for everybody. And all this good stuff is for everybody, especially the Plecos, because they're the ones beef heart. But I also have the bottom feeder shrimp pellets, and then we got bloodworm. And I'm going to add a couple of more foods into their diet, like black worms and some tubifex worms and bloodworms in pellet form. All right. Somewhere in here are some cool Plecos and some shrimp. Is the Odessa Barbs. Oh yeah, this is going to be a great tank to watch grow and blossom and just watch it evolve. Hopefully we get some babies out of all these rainbow fish. They're just so cool. If you don't know about rainbow fish, you need to add them to your tank. Alright, my good people. This has been a fun install. So I'll probably be back within the next 10 days to do like a 20 to 50% water changes. I know the water's going to get cloudy. If it doesn't, I'm going to be surprised. But alright folks, Scales and Tails.